17 Types of Popular Frailea Pictorial Guide. Frailea is a genus of cactus plants that belong to the family Cactaceae. Frailea plants are small, typically less than 10 centimeters in diameter, and have a flattened, globular shape. They are generally solitary, although some types might form clusters of plants. Frailea angelici, Frailea buenacari, Frailea gracillima, Frailea perumbilicata, Frailea castanea, Frailea cataphracta, Frailea chiquitana, Frailea phaeodisca, Frailea asteroides, Frailea pseudopulcherrima. Frailea cacti are easy to care for and appropriate for growing in pots or as part of a cactus and succulent garden. Frailea is an interesting and attractive genus of cactus plants that is well suited for growing in containers or as part of a cactus garden. Please visit succulent.com for the complete list.